I just received a sponsorship package from Joseph Dohari. PinkyZup. I can't wait to see what's inside. I do not know. We're about to find out together, boys and girls. Kevlar straps. These are the ones with the reinforced rubber in them. Super, super strong. CapCap. It's the capacitor caps. These are the beginner to FPV capacitor caps that Joseph created. Mount them right on your capacitor and it makes wiring them up nice and easy. CapCaps. What is this? What is this? What's in the box? Oh, I think I know what this is. This feels like a frame. Oh, it is a frame. Look at that. And all of its goodness. This is the PZ5. I'm going to have to assemble it. Give me a moment. We'll dig back into this. More straps. Oh, look at that. It's Grip cut for the PZ5. How convenient. I love it. I love it. I love it. More Grip. This is the thicker Grip, black. Also pre-cut. More CapCaps. We're gonna have a lot of winners. Oh, look at there. Have you guys joined the Beginners to FPV Facebook group? This is the place to go to learn and receive help. It's not to go shill your gear and not to sell your stuff, but it is an awesome place to go and learn, and it's heavily moderated. Thank you to Joseph Dohari for creating that group, if you didn't know. Man, look at this art. These are nice heavyweight stickers too. I'm loving it. Loving it. There's more. Is there more? There's more? Oh, there is more. What else is in there? Straps. More straps. The pink stitching is nice detail too, bro. Metal bands, of course, because we ain't messing with no plastic. This looks like another frame. I'm not going to take that one out. I'm not going to make a mess of it like I do everything else. And last but not least, more CapCaps. Awesome. Thank you so much, Joseph. We really, really appreciate you. Everything that you do for us. This dude really is a cornerstone of what we're doing out here. One of the many people making it all happen. Check out his new frame, the PZ5. I know he has been shipping them out right and left. I think shoot him a DM and get in touch. He is awesome dude, always happy to help. And I'm going to show you what this frame looks like momentarily.